Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video we are going to understand the types of the angles, what are angles and how do we measure them. We are going to understand the importance of protractor which is used to measure the angle and how we place our protractor on the figures to measure their angles. Friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you can visit the YouTube, find my channel in the name of Akrishi Agarwal, click on the subscribe button as depicted by the arrow to get the regular updates. So we have lots of content related to maths and science. Alright, first let us understand what are angles. So an angle is defined as the amount of turn between two rays that share a common endpoint. That means an angle, हम angle की अगर definition पढ़ना चाहें, this is the definition for angles. You can write them in your notebooks as well. So an angle is defined as the amount of turn. Amount of turn को हम एक चीज और भी बोलते हैं कि कितनी डिग्री पे हमने रोटेट करा दो रेस को कि उनका कॉमन पॉइंट, as you can see in the figure, the common point here is same. So angles are measured in degree. जैसे टेम्परेचर हम सेल्सियस या फ़ारेनहाइट में मेजर करते हैं, similarly angles को हम मेजर करते हैं डिग्रीज में. Is it clear to all of you? Alright, let's go further to understand what are the different parts of an angle. If you can look on the screen, since I told that we have one common end point, so class, the part of the angle which has been highlighted in the figure is called as vertex. It is called as vertex. Vertex means, so vertex means the common end point. Yes, the common end point. Okay, the common end point is called as vertex. If I go forward, looking ahead to the next part of an angle, as you can see the two rays, they are called as arms of the angle. They are called as arms of the angle. The two rays are called as arms of an angle. So in arms की help से ही हमें पता चलता है कि what is the measure of an angle, right? Coming to the next part, let us identify the another part which has been highlighted. The amount of opening of the arms is called as degrees. It is called as degrees. Degrees का मतलब है कितनी डिग्री. जैसे for example अगर हम बात करें degrees की, so like an angle may be opened as say 60 degree, 30 degree, 18 degree, 108 degree, 126 degree and so on. So there are various measurements of an angle to be opened and the measure of an angle is called as degree. I hope everybody has understood the three parts. First was vertex of an angle, second was arm of an angle, third is the degree of the angle. Is it clear to all of you? Alright, let's go forward to understand the concept in the deeper part. Please friends, इस वीडियो को end तक देखिए तभी आप सबको benefit मिलेगा इसका. Finally, we are going to, I have clubbed all the three definitions for you, so please treat this page as an important and please note down the definitions in your notebooks. So first was the vertex. First point is the vertex, the common point where the two rays meet, right? Then the second one is the arm, the rays that make up an angle, right? And the third one is the degree. So the measure of the size of an angle. Is it clear? I hope everybody has written all these points in your notebooks. All right. Let's go to the next topic, that how do we name the angles. Now this is a very crucial point when it comes to naming of the angle. So what we have seen, generally students make an error of writing the name of an angle either in two alphabets or writing the wrong abbreviation. So always remember there are three alphabets which are used to write an angle. First point is the symbol which you are going to use to write an angle. So whenever you have to write an angle, you will draw a sign symbol like this to follow by the three letter, right? Okay, the first and the third letter indicate the two arms. जो हमारे फर्स्ट और जो थर्ड लेटर होते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे A एंड C, जो लेटर्स हैं वो आर्म्स को डिनोट कर रहे हैं, और जो लेटर इन द मिडल आते हैं, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट वी हैव सीन, लॉट ऑफ यू हैव मेड मिस्टेक व्हाइल राइटिंग द नेम ऑफ द एंगल. So the letter which comes in between, so the letter which is coming in between is called as the vertex. So that is the place where you are labeling the angle. So in this figure you can either label it as the first, this is the first way of labeling it, that is first way is ABC, angle ABC, and the second way is angle CBA, right? Angle CBA. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So please write down all these points. These are very important from your examination point of view, that how you should write the name of the angle. The name of the angle plays a very important role to identify about which angle you are talking about. कौन से angle के बारे में आप बात करना चाहते हो वो आपके वे ऑफ राइटिंग से पता चलेगा. तो वे ऑफ राइटिंग तभी होगा जब आपको नेमिंग ऑफ एंगल्स पता चलेंगे, राइट? ओके. सो यूजिंग द सिंबल ओनली विद द वर्टेक्स, द एंगल वुड बी बी. अगर मान लो आपको एंगल नहीं लिखना, पूरा एबीसी एंगल नहीं लिखना, तो आप एंगल बी भी लिख सकते हो. So there are three correct ways of writing it as angle ABC, which we have already done, right? So this is angle CBA. If we reverse, B बीच में ही रहा क्योंकि हमने B के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about here only angle B, ठीक है? बट अगर आप एंगल CAB लिखते हो, ये तरीका गलत है. क्यों? CAB में A आ गया, which we are not considering. If you are writing angle BCA, which is also wrong because we are not talking about angle C. और आप एंगल 1 भी लिख सकते हो, बट फॉर राइटिंग एंगल 1 you are supposed to, for this one you are supposed to label in the figure first. जब तक आप फिगर में लेबल नहीं करोगे आप एंगल 1 नहीं लिख सकते. So by using the symbol followed by the letter or the number between the angle, this would be angle 1. So there are not two ways, but there are now four ways. One is writing only the alphabet, angle B, or you can also write a numeric number and call it as angle 1, or whichever number you are taking on your figure. Is it clear? Bade aage? Alright. So now let us understand about the kinds of the angle, different types of the angle. So these are very important because the first which we see on the screen is your right angle. So right angle का हमारा measurement कितना रहता है? 90 degree. Right. Coming to the second one is acute angle, which is less than 0 degree. So basically it is between 0 and 90, right? So this, let me make it more precise for all of you. So 0 to 90 degree. Coming to the obtuse angle, so it's more than 90 degree but less than 180. क्योंकि 180 पे तो वो स्ट्रेट हो जाता है, बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट हो जाता है, तो जो एरिया हम शेड करते हैं, सो दैट इज मोर देन 90 बट लेस देन 180. ठीक है ना? चलो. So there are three angles here. We have learned right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. Let's come to the next one, that is a straight angle. So the fourth one is straight angle. So straight angle measures 180 degree. Right. And coming to the next one is the reflex angle. So reflex angle का मतलब है it is more than 180 but less than. So the range is 180 to 360. प्लीज नोटबुक्स में लिखोगे तो ही आप लोगों को याद रहेगा. काइंड्स ऑफ एंगल, व्हाट आर एंगल्स, पार्ट्स ऑफ द एंगल, ये सिर्फ उन बच्चों को याद रहेगा जो इसको आराम से दे आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग इन योर नोटबुक्स वेरी ओबीडियंटली, एंड दिस टॉपिक इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन योर हायर क्लासेस एज वेल। और बात करते हैं फुल रोटेशन की। फुल रोटेशन को हम वी कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज complete angle. We call it as complete angle. So the measure of complete angle is 360 degree. So the measure of the complete angle is 360 degree. Clear है सबको? Is everybody able to understand straight angle, reflex angle and full rotation? Full rotation is another one new name which we have found. Complete angle के अलावा we can also call it as full rotation, right? Which is exactly 360 and straight was exactly 180 and this was more than 180 but less than 360. 360 पे तो complete हो जाता है ना? तो reflex angle क्या बन गया हमारा? Outside, that is more than 180 but less than 360. Is it clear? All right. चलें आगे। आइए अब हम समझेंगे प्रोट्रैक्टर। Now we are going to understand what is a protractor. So protractor is basically used to measure the angles. So आप जैसे ये figure देख रहे हो, please you can if you want you can draw this figure in your notebooks. You can draw it. So we have two things to be learnt here. One is the outer scale and the inner scale. Now outer scale and inner scale में फर्क क्या है? Outer मतलब बाहर का, राइट जो बाहर के जो ऊपर जो नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं, राइट दैट इज योर आउटर स्केल, और इनर स्केल जो अंदर की तरफ नंबर लिखे हैं, राइट एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द सेंटर. सो देयर आर थ्री थिंग्स टू बी, वन इज आउटर स्केल, इनर स्केल एंड सेंटर स्केल. अब आप पूछोगे कि मैम आउटर स्केल और इनर स्केल हम कब यूज करते हैं, है ना? सो बेसिकली हम ज्यादातर हम लोग इनर स्केल ही यूज करते हैं until and unless we require a bigger space for making bigger angles, or the angles which have been given to us for the measurement are based on outer circle. So हम लोग फिगर हमेशा inner circle के लिए बनाते हैं. We use inner circle, please make a note of this point. We use inner circle to construct the angles. ठीक है, we use inner circles to construct the angles but we use both the circle inner and outer to measure. okay, देखो अब कैसे करोगे. सबसे पहले आपके पास एक एंगल, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने बहुत अच्छा एक आपके लिए क्रिएट करा है, ये एंगल गिवन है, ठीक है. आप क्या करोगे, जो ये सेंटर पॉइंट है ना हमारा जो सेंटर, आप उसको प्लेस करोगे पॉइंट बी पे, राइट कहाँ पे प्लेस करोगे, वर्टेक्स बी पे. जैसे ही आपने उसको वर्टेक्स बी पे प्लेस करा, एडजस्ट करो जीरो, जो बेस लाइन है वो आपके फर्स्ट बेस आर्म पे प्लेस होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली कवर होनी चाहिए. जब आप उसको कवर करोगे तो यू विल सी दैट द एंगल इज मेजरिंग एज 70 डिग्री इन अ सर्कल, राइट इन द इनर सर्कल. सो if I see from 0, because 0 हमने inner circle पे लिया है, तो obviously inner circle की ही reading देखेंगे तो we will find that it is of 70 degree. but अगर मेरे पास इस तरीके से देखो, sorry this was the first example, ठीक है. अगर मैं बात करूं एक और एग्जाम्पल की जो कि मुझे इस तरीके से करना है, या तो मैं इसको अगर इनर सर्कल से पढ़ती हूँ, देखो अगर मैंने बेसलाइन यहाँ पे रखा और इस तरीके से चेक करा तो दिस इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 130 डिग्री, राइट 130 डिग्री. एंड मैंने रीडिंग किसके थ्रू करी, मैंने रीडिंग करी इनर सर्कल. क्यों इनर सर्कल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरे पास हाईलाइटेड था फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, ठीक है, फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट मेरा हाईलाइटेड था, राइट अगर मेरे पास ये वाली साइड होती, मेरे पास लेफ्ट वाली साइड होती तो ही मैं लेफ्ट से रीडिंग लेती which would have been 50 degree, but we are supposed to do it from right to left. This was the second, so it is 130 degree, right? So I hope everybody has understood what are the different types of the angles and what are the various parts of the angle, also about the various measurement of angles using protractor, right? So I hope everybody has seen the video to the end, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your love and support. You can now join us on Facebook as Learn Easy, and you can find us on Instagram as Learn Easy Online. You can like, share, and follow the Instagram page also, and subscribe the YouTube channel for regular updates. Thank you.